from Holman, Wisconsin, Ted Timber. Ted Timber. Ted pulled it down the track for 280 feet. From Houston, Andrew Auger. A pull of 260 feet, 6.24. Here comes Carson Schulze from Hixton, Wisconsin. Carson with a pull of 253 feet, 4.44. Corey Ramsey is your next contestant. Corey Ramsey. Vince has a pull of 259 feet, 2.0. Jordan Hansen. Ladies and gentlemen, from Fall Creek, Wisconsin, Max Henning. He's got the green light from Winona, Minnesota, Austin Kieselhorst. I've never seen a Kieselhorst. Give it up for the guy piloting that sled back there. He's going to look all interesting tonight when he goes home to shower. Boston's got a pull of 179 feet, 8.4. Justin Hoppel. I said from Galesville, Justin Hoppel. From Loyal. pretty cool when the guy riding the sled puts the brakes on the 300.